Setting the desired open position on all single-gate ghost control operators. Please refer to your installation manual for additional details. The operator arm must be fully retracted, which was the position the control arm was in when you removed it from the packaging, and as shown in this video. Attach the supplied front mount gate bracket to the control arm front mount. Open the gate to the desired open position. The control arm must remain fully retracted. Install the front mount gate hardware to the open gate. Please refer to your installation manual for additional details. The shown universal tube gate brackets are an accessory and not supplied in all kits. This will be the position the gate will open to. This position is only altered by the position of the brackets attached to your gate. Thank you for choosing Ghost Controls.